some people, life has to be charming, practical, and functional. For others, life has to be light, dynamic, and unique. There are those that prefer an adventurous life and make their own world. And there are those that see your car as part of your lifestyle. When you take the road, it doesn't matter your way. Your essence and personality are always present. And this presence is what inspires our innovation. My Road Keko. Designed as you never saw. Personality that you always have. Keko Automotive.